High floor. Step inside this stunning 2-bedroom unit located on a high floor with a north-south facing view. Welcome to Trilive Condo, where luxury meets convenience in the heart of Singapore. This unit comes with fridge, microwave oven and a washer dryer. There is even a TV. This condo is in excellent condition, ready for you to move in and make it your own. This is a 2-bedroom unit and is 549 square feet. The first bedroom is suitable for your guests or can double up as a study area. Next is the master bedroom. This master bedroom comes with a 2-door sliding door wardrobe. The attached bathroom comes with a standing shower. Enjoy the amenities that Trilive has to offer, including a swimming pool, gym, and barbecue area for all your entertainment needs. There is an overhead bridge that brings you to the bus stop, which is just 3 stops away from the Kovan MRT. If you are interested to view this unit, call Sylvia Chung at 88585023.